In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you how to increase your internet lead conversion rate by at least 55%. My name is Peter Chabris with Lockbox, where we provide realtors lessons in leads, listings, and leadership. And today, we're going to unpack how to improve your internet lead conversion rate. You know, internet leads, some agents perceive them as hassle, some agents perceive them as opportunities. The difference is how well you convert them. If your conversion rates are low, they're a major hassle and they grind up your time. If you've got some skill around converting them, they're a huge opportunity to scale and grow your business. Average internet lead conversion rates can be as low as about 0.8%. At the Chabris Group, we've pushed that with some of our agents as high as 4%. That's a huge difference. One of the techniques that we use is what I'm about to teach you. But to do that, you kind of want to get into the mindset of the consumer. When a consumer enters their information as an internet lead into your website and they start receiving contact from you automatically, they will perceive you as basically, or can perceive you as like a robot or a telemarketer or a bad actor or somebody out to get them. And that makes sense, right? They weren't expecting to be contacted and now you're reaching out and contacting them. So I understand that perspective. And so what you want to do is be able to quickly show your humanity. Remember, consumers choose their service provider first by warmth, then by confidence, finally by competence. We've got to figure out how to demonstrate warmth and then confidence quickly and efficiently in a way that cuts through all the other mess and all the other messages that people are getting every day. So here's what you do. You're going to show your humanity. And the way you do that is by using video in a way that you may not be sure. By showing them that we're trying to talk specifically to them. You use video to show that you're a human being, and then you use something like this. It's a simple whiteboard where you have their name on the whiteboard and something that's meaningful and important to them. So you might say something like, you might film a video like I'm doing right now, and it leads with this. So before they even see the video on the thumbnail, they see their name and, like, for example, the property that they're interested in. And then you shoot a really quick video that ends with a question. When you end with a question, you solicit a response from the person receiving the message. So it might be something like, hey John, it's Peter. I've been trying to get you by the phone. I just want to let you know I'm a real human being and not a robot. I saw that you're interested in that property over on Charles Street. I'm available tomorrow at 4, or I can do Thursday at 6 p.m. I also had 2 questions about this property because I might have another one that might meet your criteria. So which is better for you, tomorrow at 4 or Thursday at 6? Let me know. Thanks. What you saw there was an individualized message where they saw their name, the property that they're interested in, because it's about their interests. You saw me being warm. You also saw me demonstrating confidence and assuming the close that they would want to see this property. That's how you show your humanity. Now, if you're still watching this video, that enough is a win. And those whiteboards are very cheap, by the way, but I'll give you one more extra hack. The best time to send a video to somebody that you don't know is before 8 a.m. or after 5 p.m., Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. The data tells us that when you send the video before they go into work mode or at the end of the day, they're going to be more receptive and they'll be more likely to open that video. So just sending the video with their name is going to increase your conversion rates by 55%, your open rate specifically. But if you send it during those hours, you'll actually get an even higher open rate that will ultimately cause you to have a higher conversion rate. Now you might be asking, Peter, where are you getting this information from? This book right here is phenomenal. It's called Rehumanize Your Business by Ethan Butte and Stephen Peccinelli. It's an excellent book about using video to convert leads at a higher rate. So that's your weekly lesson on leads, listings, and leadership, and I'll see you guys in a week. Thanks a lot.